Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome and thank you for stopping by. So today's video is a very interesting video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Watch from the beginning to the end because you're going to be learning something from it. I call it two-in-one kind of wash. Yes, because you can use it to bleach your white, like to make your white, dirty white turn clean, and then you can use it to also wash your toilet. So it's like a two-in-one um wash. Yes, so guys, enjoy this video from the beginning to the end. Here is the before of my bed sheet. I'm using the bleach I made, and which I'm going to be sharing with you all in this video, to soak the white bedspread. And here is what the after is looking like. So if you want to learn, please keep on watching. For you to achieve same results as mine, you'll be needing chlorine 100 grams. You also be needing your caustic soda 70 grams. And then your soda ash 100 grams. So this is my measurement jug I'll be working with. So I'm just going to be needing fresh water for it. So this is water from tap, directly from tap. So here is my 200 ml measurements, which I'm going to be using. I'll just go ahead and pour in my water 150 ml inside my bowl. The 150 ml of water I'm talking about is the total amount of water I used for this production. But right now I'm going to start with 80 grams of water. So at the long run, you discover I'll keep adding water to it until I get to the 150 ml of water I'm using for this production. So after mixing the chlorine properly, I'll go ahead and add my caustic soda to the mixture. So loves, I want you all to know that this particular production, with the amount of grams I'm using for this production, yes, you can actually take out 5 liters of bleach from it. But just note that the more the water, the lesser the quantity, the quality of the bleach. Yes, so the more the water, the lesser the quality of the bleach. So when you add little water to it and then the bleach cooperates so well, it's going to give you a very active bleach that you don't need to put too much bleach into your water for your clothes to become very white. So after mixing all of those, I'm going to go ahead and add my soda ash and keep mixing. So when I mix and I discover that it's all blended well, I'm going to cover it and set it aside, let that sit for some hours, and come back to show you guys what it's looking like. So here is 20 grams of water, and I'm going to be using Texapon for it. Like I said, we are going to be doing two-in-one production. So this Texapon, I will be soaking after mixing it like this. I'll go ahead and let it sit for some hours until I don't see the Texapon inside the water at all. So I'll set it aside and then come back to show you guys what it's looking like. So after 24 hours, here is what our production is looking like. So I'm going to take out the foamy part from our bleach and then separate the water. So the water is the bleach. Yes, is what we use in washing our white. Anything that is dirty, that has stain, you can go ahead and mix this bleach into the water, add your soap, your detergent soap or your bar soap, and then scrub. It's going to give you that perfect color you're looking for. So here is our bleach. That's one production done, and here is the second one I'm going to be working with. This one, we use it to wash our toilet. If your toilet has blockage or whatsoever, then this one is going to clear it well for you and make your toilet sparkling. So for it to give us this good result and a better result, that was why we soaked our Texapon. We let it sit for some hours, and the work of this Texapon is to make this production thick and foamy, as a little bit of foam, so you don't need to add water to you don't need to add soap while you're washing your toilet. On my next video, maybe on the short, I'm going to be uploading how I use this one to wash my toilet, and then you guys will see the transformation. So this is what I use. After mixing that properly and I get the thickness I'm going for, I'll go ahead and add it to my container. So after pouring it in this container, I was still having more left, so I went ahead to use another ragolis of water. So here is it. I'm just going to go ahead and keep pouring until I finish putting the whole production in it. So like I said, this is what I use in washing my toilet, and trust me, you guys really want to see how my toilet is. It's always sparkling. So I will try as much as possible on my next video to show you guys what the before and after of what it's looking like. So here is our production. It's all set and done. So at the end of the day, I'm going to be mixing the bleach, separating it from any chaff or any dirty not to enter inside before I turn it into the second ragolis I'm going to be using. So here is what our production is for today. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos like this. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I use my bleach to wash my bed sheet. So please keep on watching. So here is the before of my bed sheet. You guys can see it's so dirty. Yes, I know it's dirty, but we are going to be working with it with our bleach. So here is what it's looking like. Here is the before. And then for the pillowcase, I'm showing you guys what the pillowcase is. So dirty. Yes guys, it's so dirty. Yeah, but we are going to be cleaning, washing it. So I'll go ahead and fetch my water inside my bath and then add a little bit of detergent into it. I'll use my hand to shake it, yes, like so, and then add my bleach to it. Like I said, you're just going to be needing little quantity of the bleach. Yes, because the production we made was lesser production than 5 liters. So I'm going to be adding my bed sheets, my pillowcase first, and then the bedspread. I'm going to be adding it to the water and then let it sit for like 3 to 4 hours. Come back, scrub it, and then spread it. So I will be showing you guys now what the after is looking like. So after washing and spreading the bedspread, here is what it is. Guys, you can see the transformation. Yes, it's the work of our bleach. Yes, the bleach I just made did this, and I'm so happy with the results. Guys, just try this and then you will come back and thank me later for free of charge. Yes, go ahead and do this. And let me tell you, for this production you don't really need much money for it. I think I bought the chlorine, the caustic soda, and everything was about 1,000 naira. Yes, and that was how I was able to make this. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.